When we are working with Network Simulator 3 with virtual machine support, sometimes the program extract may have some problem. So we can watch here how to solve that. To just open root's home folder, we can go to NS3 all-in-one. You can go any version and you can see the zip of your work. Just right click. Instead of right click, you can do extract here also. Sometimes this will not support you to extract your program. In such a condition, you just double click. You can see the program over here. Just right click. You can give extract. You can give extract. It will start extract and you can get now already extracted. So just I am closing. You can see the folder will extract over here. Okay, you can solve that error in this way.